In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys 3 banks that you can get at least $20,000 with no docs required for your business. And pretty much the only requirement is to be a new business. Not only am I going to show you the banks, but I'm going to be walking you through the process on how to get these loans. I'm going to be going over the best options for you guys to get the most funding. So don't skip anything in this video. I'm also going to be discussing with you guys how to get up to 100K in business funding with just having a new business within just 6 months. My name is KINGLATTA. You're watching Black Investors Group, and we make money easy over here. We post daily so that you can learn how to save the most money as possible and lose as less money as possible, because you will learn the beginner investing tips that you won't have to lose money on. But with all that being said, stay tuned for more after the intro. Woo! So the first bank that we have is PNC Bank. PNC Bank, guys, is pretty popular. I know you probably heard of it, but with PNC you can get $20,000 to even 100K in business funding. There is no collateral required, and you can even earn cash rewards if you sign up before September 30th of 2023. Up next, we got Citizens Bank. But before I get into Citizens Bank, guys, don't forget to check out the links in the description. Get yourself an ebook on the Lotta ebook store. Subscribe to the YouTube memberships, guys, where you can learn exclusive investing tips, man. How to make money the easy way, how to invest your credit, guys, how to invest and make a new business, a trucking business, an online business, and even a dispatching business. And also, guys, we are doing coaching calls where you can schedule a 10 to 30 minute conversation with me for only $10, where you can learn the best investment tips and how to start, your new trucking business, cargo van business, dispatching business, and even you can get an online business started up, and I will construct your website for you. But let's get into Citizens Bank, man. Hit that subscribe button. Back to the video. Woo! So Citizens Bank has a lot of options, guys. They have small business options, corporate options. They got credit cards. They got financial education. They have checking accounts. They have investing and wealth management. They have auto loans, and they even have savings accounts. So Citizens Bank is just about a major bank branch. So go ahead and check out Citizens Bank and see if you can get 20K in business funding. You can get paid up to 2 days early with Citizens Bank. They have reverse overdraft fees with ease. You can stay on top of your finances, and you can also access your money at any time using Citizens Bank. And they have over 3,000 ATMs in the US. And if you did want to go ahead and get yourself a business credit card with Citizens Bank, they are offering a cash back of 1.8% on all purchases. So go ahead and check out Citizens Bank, guys. On to the third and the final website. So for the last and final, we got Key Bank, and that's just like a key, and then you got bank. So on Key Bank, you can get savings accounts, you can get credit cards, pretty much the whole yamma jamma. Personal lines of credit, auto loans, and they are offering 2% on all purchases. That is 2% cash back, not 2% interest. Key Bank also has a lot of products and services, so go ahead and check out Key Bank and see if that's the right one out of the 3 for you. So now we got PNC Bank. As y'all know, PNC Bank is a pretty popular one, and right here, you just apply online as soon as you hit the website. September 30th, you can get some cash rewards when you open a qualifying business checking account. So you can start your online application here, or you can apply at the branch. You probably got a PNC Bank somewhere in your city. They're pretty popular. And yes, guys, we deposit $200 into your account, or you can get the $500 into your account, and you can get the $30,000, or you can go to the lower amount and get the $5,000. And this is the business checking. Then they have the business checking plus right here. But hold on, let's just look at this business checking real quick. That looks no charge for up to 150 transactions per month, guys. That sounds pretty good. $100 minimum, and they do up to the $5,000. And also on a business checking plus, then we have $100 minimum as well. $500 no charge. Okay. Just depends on what, guys, you have in mind, what you want to do. And now on to the next one we got. So guys, over on Citizens Bank, you can get checking accounts, savings accounts, credit cards, home loans, student loans, investing and wealth management, and auto loans, guys. They also have this nice little app set up, a nice green card. And like I said, man, checking, credit card, you pretty much put what you need, and you can go ahead and get started here on this button right here. As you can see, and you can see what they have to offer. And this is their overdraft fee, their monthly maintenance fee, guys, and all the information that you need right over here. And yeah, this is Citizens Bank. On to the next one. At Key Bank. So for Key Bank, they have a lot of products, they have a lot of services, and guys, you can access Key Bank anywhere, man. They got Zelle, mobile deposits, for pretty much everything you need. And this is the personal, so we're gonna go to the small business right here. They got fixed interest rates, man. Refresh your business outlook in under 5 minutes. Business calculators, cash management, guys. We can go right here. Wire transfers, purchase car, e-bill, everything you need right here. All the information you need for Key Bank. And then they got customer supports. That is it for the banks, guys. The 3 banks that will give your new business some funding up to $30,000. Comment down below which bank you're gonna go with, and comment down below what video you want to see next. Like I said, over here we do it all, guys. We do online business, we do credit hacks, and we are in the trucking industry as well. So whatever you want to know, man, just comment down below what you want to see me post next. This is Black Investors Group, man. We do post daily, so I will see you guys tomorrow. Don't forget to check out the links in the description. Book a coaching call, because guys, you won't regret it. We have a lot of good reviews over on the coaching calls. So let's learn how to make this money the easy way, and let's grow together. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. But I'm KINGLATTA, man, and we out. Woo! How would you like it if you made $1,000 to even $20,000 in passive income each month? Me and my team have helped out over hundreds of people make $1,000 minimum each month with a dropshipping store with only using one product. We have scaled a method to make over $1,000 a month with completely free ads, and you can either buy this ad course or we can run your ads for you. But if you want an online store made today, simply go on the link in my bio, schedule a consultation so we can get all the details for whatever product that you want to put on the store. And if you don't make $100 in your first month, we will fully refund you your $100 store startup fee. Stop procrastinating, guys. Get you an online store, start it up for only $200, and you can make this $200 back within your first week. Scared money does not make any money, so let's get this thing started up and let's make this money together.
You talking money, want all of it, please. I pulled before, got me stuck in a dream. I want my family over.
If you haven't done so already, man, please go on the link in the description. We have how to make money the easy way, how to boost your credit fast, and how to make money online in multiple different niches. Also, we have a full step-by-step startup on how to start your own trucking business. If you guys still have more questions, you can always feel free to reach out to me in the Calendly link in the description. We do offer coaching calls for $10. You can either schedule a 10-minute conversation or a 30-minute conversation one-on-one with me. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, man. Join the movement. This channel is on the way to 100K. You don't want to miss out on how to make this money the easy way. Now let's go up together, make it to the top, and let's get this money.